In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal in ClickUp. A client portal gives your clients a single place to track progress, review deliverables, and communicate without digging through emails. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp workspace and that you know which space you want to use. A space is the top-level container in ClickUp, so choose the one that will hold your client-facing work. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in if prompted. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the space where the portal should live. This keeps everything organized and ensures the right privacy settings from the start. If you manage several client accounts, consider dedicating one space per line of business or region. Don't worry if you pick the wrong home. You can always reorganize later without losing data. Inside that space, find the plus icon to add something new. Depending on your layout, the plus icon may appear near New or at the top of the view. This button is your shortcut to create items quickly, and it also gives you access to ClickUp's templates. Open the Templates option so we can build the portal from a proven structure instead of starting from scratch. In the template library, type Client in the search bar to filter to pre-built client portals. Preview a few and note the lists, views, and docs included. Then pick the one that matches how you plan to work. When you're ready, choose Use Template. You'll be asked to give your new portal a name. Keep it clear and recognizable, like the client's company name plus portal, and avoid adding any private details. A consistent naming convention makes it easier to find and manage portals as your roster grows. Confirm by clicking Use Template again, and wait while ClickUp creates everything. Import time varies based on how much is included, so keep the tab open until the new items appear. When it finishes, you'll see the portal's structure in place, ready for you to tailor views, descriptions, and fields. That's it. You've created a client portal in ClickUp using a template, which saves setup time and keeps your client experience consistent. From here, review your space's privacy before sharing anything externally. Make sure only the right lists are visible, and adjust small details so the portal mirrors how your team delivers work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.